Dear student, welcome to NIEVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Medium School Morning Shift. So dear student, today's your topic is oral sheet practice, and this class is for class nursery. So dear student, look at the board. Here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions, but questions number is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 because I have discussed 1 to 5 number question our first class. So dear student, when I will say the question, you should remember, you should listen this question very carefully, and when I will say the answer, you should say with me. So dear student, listen very carefully. The question number 6. Say the name of 3 colors. I repeated. Say the name of 3 colors. Answer: red, green and blue. Say with me: red, green and blue. Question number 7. Do you have any colors? Answer: yes, I have pencil and pastel color. I repeated the question and answer. Do you have any colors? Answer: yes, I have pencil and pastel colors. Question number 8. What is the color of the sky? Answer: sky is light blue. Again the question: what is the color of the sky? Answer: sky is light blue. Question number 9. Can you draw a fish? Answer: yes, I can draw a fish. Again 9th question I will say, can you draw a fish? Answer: yes, I can draw a fish. Question number 10. Which is the color of a sun? Again, which is the color of a sun? Answer: sun is yellow and orange. Dear students, say with me again, sun is yellow and orange. So dear student, I have completed the 10 question. I hope you all practice these 6 questions by listening and watching this video on YouTube. Don't forget to listening and watching more and more time. And look at the board. I have given you a SW also on your RW. SW is a cap without color. So dear student, do the SW and submit those SW at your school at every Sunday 8 am to 4 pm. Dear student, don't forget to submit your SW because your SPA, CT and diary marks also depends on your SW. So dear student, stay at your home, abide by your parents. Thank you. That's all for today.